Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a place where time moves slowly, where the world rises above the clouds, untouched and eternal. This is the realm of mountains, vast, majestic, and ancient. They have shaped our planet and our imaginations for millions of years. In this journey, we'll travel through the seasons to witness their beauty, hear their silent stories, and feel the stillness they offer. Let the mountains speak and let your mind wander. In winter, mountains become cathedrals of ice and silence. Snow muffles sound, and the crisp air seems to hold time still. High-altitude peaks like the Himalayas stay snow-covered year-round, their glaciers feeding rivers that sustain billions of people. Mount Everest, the world's tallest peak, rises 29,032 feet, or 8,849 meters, and grows about 4 millimeters each year due to tectonic activity. Winter is also a season of survival. Animals like snow leopards, lynx, and mountain goats have adapted perfectly to the cold, blending into the terrain and conserving energy. Some mountain ranges, like the Caucasus or the Rockies, receive over 30 feet or 9 meters of snow annually, shaping their ecosystems and watersheds. It's a time of dormancy, yet beneath the snow, life quietly prepares for spring. As winter fades, mountain landscapes awaken. Spring brings a dramatic transformation. Streams burst to life from melting snow, feeding valleys below. In the Alps, snowmelt powers nearly half of Europe's hydroelectric energy. Crocuses and edelweiss bloom through the frost, and animals stir from hibernation. Mountain birds return from migration, singing among thawing branches. At higher elevations, seasons are short, so spring is a race against time. Did you know? Some frogs in mountainous areas can survive being frozen for days. When temperatures rise, they thaw and continue living. Spring also unveils hidden geological wonders as landslides, meltwater, and shifting snowpack reshape trails and terrain. It's a season of rebirth, fast, fleeting, and filled with color. Summer in the mountains is alive with sound and movement. Lush meadows stretch across ridges, filled with bees and butterflies. Hikers trace ancient paths, and the sun warms icy lakes once locked in frost. The Andes, Earth's longest mountain range, stretch more than 4,300 miles, or 7,000 kilometers, from Venezuela to Chile. Each region has its own microclimate, its own rhythm. In the Himalayas, yak herders ascend to high pastures. In the Rockies, elk gather in high valleys to graze. Despite the warmth, the weather can change in minutes. A clear summer sky can become a storm in seconds. And above it all, birds of prey like the golden eagle patrol the air, riding thermals that rise from sun-heated cliffs. Summer is abundance, energy, and the heartbeat of mountain life. Autumn is the mountain's grand finale. Trees ignite in orange, gold, and crimson, a final flourish before winter. Forests of aspen and larch shimmer in the wind, their leaves trembling like candlelight. In places like the Carpathians or Appalachians, the fall color change attracts thousands of visitors each year. But it's also a season of preparation. Bears gorge on berries, squirrels gather food, and birds prepare for migration. The crisp air carries a sense of urgency. The sun hangs lower, casting long shadows over the land. Did you know that mountain ranges can influence entire regional climates? For example, the Sierra Nevada mountains create a rain shadow that formed the Mojave Desert. In autumn, we see the duality of mountains, wild beauty and stark reality. It is a time of letting go, of change, of quiet strength. Mountains have stood long before us and will stand long after. Formed by the collision of continents and the patient work of time, they remind us of nature's strength and stillness. Whether you visit them, climb them, or simply watch them from afar, mountains call us back to something older and deeper, a silence that speaks, a beauty that humbles.